In this lesson, we will cover unboxing and assembly of the FC9000. The first step is to unbox the stand, which is in a separate box. Let's open up the stand box, remove all the contents, and set them aside. Next, take the contents you just removed and unpack everything. Once unpacked, lay the items in an organized manner on a carpeted floor. Next, open the main box and remove the stock roller bars. Pull out the box that contains the crossmember. When pulling it out, you'll notice there is a smaller box attached to the crossmember box. Go ahead and detach the smaller box from the crossmember box. After separating the two boxes, go ahead and set them on the ground. Next, remove the hardware box at the end of the main box, and remove the contents, which contain the parts for the flange system. Once again, unpack or unwrap any further boxes or packages and lay out the pieces on the floor in an organized way, somewhat like you see here. This makes it easier to identify the parts as they are needed. Now that they are laid out on the floor, let's identify the components. M4 screws are used to assemble the stand and cutter, the bars for the basket assembly, 2 stand footers, 2 stand legs, the center crossmember bar, bars used for the basket assembly, 2 media stock rollers, the basket, and 2 stock roller plates.